this video, we're going to show you how to make Teamotions delicious cold brew iced tea. Now, we've all heard of Grandma's famous sun tea that she'd set out in the porch during the summer. This recipe will take you right back to Grandma's house. In our recipe, we'll be using all 6 delicious flavors of Teamotions tea. Achieve clarity, discover joy, seek peace, have hope, enjoy rest, and find strength, to make an amazing summertime iced tea that you can either cold brew or sit out on the front porch just like Grandma used to. Using our iced tea maker, the first step is to place a single scoop of each tea into the tea infuser. Once we've done that, next we'll want to fill up the iced tea maker with room temperature water. Now, if you won't be using the Teamotions Iced tea maker, just remember it's always 1 cup of water to 1 scoop of tea. After you fill the iced tea maker with water, all you need to do is place it in the fridge to cold brew for at least 8 hours. I prefer overnight, or you can cover it and set it on the front porch for about 4 to 6 hours. Once your Teamotions cold brew is done brewing, you'll just want to remove the infuser, fill a cup with ice, and pour it over for an amazing, refreshing iced tea that you can enjoy all summer long. Cheers.